Welcome to our Canecraft YouTube channel. Let's see how to make a soldering iron through simple steps. First, grab the tiny spring from a piezoelectric plug of the lamp.
Put a small thermal insulation sleeve through the spring. You can get this heat insulation sleeve from motor repairing shop or electronic parts shop. Put a copper wire piece through the sleeve. Tie the spring in with the copper rod using a thin copper wire for electrical contact. Connect a wire at the end of the spring and wind with a copper wire for tightening it. Put a piece of sleeve over the spring to retain heat within the copper wire. Place 2 or more insulation sleeves over the exposed copper wire to prevent burns from the soldering iron when holding it. Connect another input wire at the of the copper rod and tie it a thin wire of copper. Bend the copper wire as shown to make it easier to handle. Connect the 2 input wires with a 12V adapter or an old mobile charger for powering. Connect the adapter with the main supply. When electric current flows through the spring, it heats up due to resistance, acting as the heating element in this setup. This soldering iron is easy to make and simple to repair if it gets damaged. It can be used to solder even very small areas with precision and ease. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.